What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Kate. I said at the end of last year, beginning of 2021, that I thought there were going to be a ton of new launches going into the year, and luckily you guys have been super interested in skincare and let me know that you wanted to see more skincare videos, tutorials, products, all of the above for 2021. So for today's video, I figured I would share a new PR package that I got in from Wander Beauty, and we would just go through it and do a little skincare together. Personally, my skin is not feeling its best. I have this lovely little breakout, which I feel like happens every single time, literally every single time that I want to film something skincare related. Why? So rude and annoying. And yeah, I just need a little TLC and to do a little morning skincare. So I got this package sent over from Wander Beauty. They have a new launch called the Airplane Mode Round Trip Collection, and it looks super cute. Comes with a ton of little goodies in here. They're all supposed to be travel size, and I have been a big fan of their skincare products in the past. So we are gonna go ahead and open this up and play with the items that are in here today. So stay tuned if you wanna see. I'm just gonna go ahead and, as we say, jump right in. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna get my hair out of my face. I'm gonna use this cute little headband to tie my hair back or push my hair back. Let's see here. I cannot stand doing any makeup or skincare with my hair in my face. I just can't do it. So I love using little headbands like these. They're just very convenient and make it a lot easier. So let's open up this package. Try to show you guys. Sorry, I'm left-handed and I grabbed that out. So weird. All right, so we got the airplane mode little set, and then there's something else in here. So let's see. Oh my gosh, this is cute. So they also sent over a little tote bag that is pink, has Wander Beauty on it. Love it. They always have really good items in their PR packages, things that I actually want to use and are cute. So love this. Thank you all so much. And then now let's open the good stuff, the skincare. Oh, they have the best travel bags too. I love this. So here is the airplane mode set. It comes in this clear bag that totally will actually use and reuse for traveling, putting skincare in, makeup, all of that. I have a couple of little toiletry bags like this from over the years from PR that they've sent over, and they have been my absolute favorite. I use them all the time. And honestly, when I am going to the lake or the pool or the beach, I will keep my phone in bags like these too, and my sunscreen because it's waterproof. So super handy. But let's go ahead and open it up. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 4 products in here, and then in the back we have a cute little scrunchie, it looks like, and then one of their baggage claim eye masks, which are some of my favorite under eye masks. But we can take a look, and I'll tell you guys what's in here before I destroy the cute packaging. The airplane mode round trip package includes a mini drift away cleanser, a mini mist connection essence and toner, a mini dive-in moisturizer, a mini staycation hydrating mask, 2 baggage claim gold eye mask packets, a clear travel case, and then a hair tie. And this retails, it looks like, for $45, and you can also get the tote bag for $18, and both are available at Wander Beauty. And then for those of you who are not familiar, it is cruelty free, and then everything is formulated without mineral oil, parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrance. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh, the scrunchie is so cute, and I love that it's silk because this feels so good on your hair, and it tends to leave less of a crease in it. And I love the little bow, so cute. We'll definitely be using that regularly. And then these are the eye masks, which if you guys haven't tried these, you got to pick them up. They're so good. But let's see. So there's a cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and then a mask. And I'm assuming the mask we just leave on, but let's, oh no, we rinse off. So I'm just taking a look at everything that we have here and figuring out the order that I need to do everything. So obviously there's a cleanser, so I'll use that first, and then toner we'll use second. Moisturizer will obviously follow after that, and I love that it says it's a 72-hour hydration because my skin is so dry right now. And then there's a hydrating mask, and that's really what I need to figure out and see if I have to rinse this off or can we just leave it on and put it on top of my moisturizer? I'm not really sure. Okay, so it says that you can use it as a mask. If you use it as a mask, you have to rinse it off after 10 to 15 minutes, or you can use it as a moisturizer. And it says you could, of course, leave on overnight, sleep in it, all of that. So, cool. So we're gonna start by cleansing. This is the Drift Away Cleanser. It's such a cute little bottle, and I have not used this before. It says that it drifts away even the most stubborn makeup for a double cleansed effect, which I am a proponent of double cleansing, so I'm definitely eager to try this out once I am doing a nighttime routine and have a full face of makeup on, but we are going for a morning routine, so I obviously don't have anything on my face. But here is the consistency. It's just a clear, it seems like gel sort of cleanser. Let's go ahead and, oops. And it has like a really nice light scent too. Obviously I'm not in my bathroom filming, but I just went and added some water, and it did suds up quite a bit, but as soon as, like, I don't know, it suds, it goes away if you're not constantly adding water to it, if that makes sense. But it does definitely get sudsy, and I like the consistency of it so far. I'm just gonna get this rinsed off. I rinsed off the cleanser and my face actually feels so nice. I don't always love washing my face in the morning, to be quite honest with you guys, just because I feel like some cleansers can be really drying and just kind of strip the moisture and natural oils from my face, and I don't always love that feeling. But I feel like really kind of revitalized and fresh and clean with this, so I'm into it. I could definitely use this morning for sure, and then we'll test it out for a night and report back to you guys, let you know how it gets makeup off as well. So next I'll be using this Mist Connection Essence and Tone, another product that I have not used from them before, but I really like the look of it and the little packaging, super cute. The back of this says it's a 2-in-1 mist that combines essence and toner to balance and moisturize skin in a single step, and it says that we should shake it to combine and gently mist over skin. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like a pink solution down here and then a white solution at the top, which is really cool. I like the way that looks, but we will give this a little shake. And I do like that it's a mist because I feel like that's just so less messy, just really easy to use, especially if you are traveling and bringing this on the go, or maybe you don't have like all your cotton pads and everything like that with you. This seems to be really convenient. So this smells like a spa. Oh my gosh, it has to have lavender in it. It smells really, really nice, really refreshing. I like that it isn't too heavy either. It feels nice and light. And I personally feel like this is a finer mist, so I'm worried I may overuse it just because I want to feel it all over my face, but I do like that it seems to spray pretty evenly and isn't too heavy as well. I'll just have to report back to you guys on how quickly I run through this. All right, so next I'll go ahead and moisturize, and we have this Dive In Moisturizer, and this is the 72-hour hydration. It says on the back, dive into 72 hours of moisture. What the heck is this word? Pentavitatin? This is like a word I should know. What is this word? P-E-N-T-A-V-I-T-I-N. Pentavitatin? What? Why don't I know what this is? Like, all right, well, that and 15 other fruit extracts work to hydrate, brighten, and protect for healthier looking skin. And it says to apply a pea-sized amount onto clean face and gently massage. It can be used morning or night. So, ooh, it's pink. Love that for us. I might have done a little bit more than a pea, but I'm sure it'll be fine. My face needs lots of moisture. I also realized I forgot to mention this, but I dermaplaned my face last night. Right before bed. It was just way overdue, and I tend to dermaplane my face at home every 4 weeks or so, which if you're not familiar with that, I basically shave my face to help get off any dead skin or peach fuzz. It makes my makeup go on so much better and helps skincare products absorb, and my skin feels so soft. But because I do have really sensitive skin, it's still feeling like very fresh, so hopefully it will enjoy all of the products that I'm putting on it today. It won't be irritated at all, but I mean, it's basically been 24 hours, so I feel like I should be fine at this point. But I really like the texture of the moisturizer. It's not too sticky, but it definitely feels hydrating. And I like the creamy consistency. I think that that is just really nice. It just kind of makes the skin feel so soft, which I love. So definitely we'll see how this does for this first time, but I could totally see myself using this morning and night because I just really like the consistency and the texture of this. And then the last thing that we have is the Staycation mask, and this has peptides and ceramides in it. It says that you can book the ultimate hydration staycation with our intensely moisturizing 3-in-1 mask, moisturizer, and skin treatment. And then I mentioned this at the beginning when I was trying to figure out the order that I should use everything, but it says you can use it as a mask, which you would leave on for 10 to 15 and wash off, or you can apply it as like an extra moisturizer to really, really lock in hydration. That's what I'm gonna do, since obviously I've already gone through all the steps of my skincare routine, and my skin is just needing some more love anyway. So adding an extra layer is definitely not gonna hurt it. Ooh, this looks nice. So here is what the mask looks like. I can't really tell. It kind of looks, maybe this is a cream formula too. Looks like a cream or gel sort of consistency. It feels very similar to the moisturizer, but I kind of feel like this has a little bit more of a gel texture to it. But this feels really nice. And I always like to bring stuff like this down my neck too, make sure my neck gets really moisturized as well. Okay, my skin feels really nice, and I'm actually loving the moisturizer and the mask layered, how I just did them. I honestly think I would like this combo best rather than putting the mask on and leaving it on for a little bit and then rinsing it off. I think my skin type is in a place right now where I'm very happy with just soaking all of that up and not even rinsing it off at all. So even with my skin already feeling great, we cannot forget the under eye mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on too. These, like I mentioned, are some of my favorite under eye masks. These are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and they're like aesthetically pleasing too. They're really cute. I'll show you obviously when I open them. But these essentially help with dull, tired looking skin, help really awaken your under eyes, and I like that they aren't too sticky either. These masks have always worn really comfortably for me too, which I appreciate. I never feel like they're sliding all over the place, and again, I never feel like they're drenched in too much serum either. I hate that. I'm not gonna lie though, they're usually so easy to open, but now that I have all of this moisturizer on my fingers, I think I'm gonna have to go get some scissors, so BRB. All right, scissors to the rescue. Here is how they come. That's the back actually. Here you go. There's the gold, and you can see like they are in this little clear container with serum, but it's not like oozing out everywhere, which I appreciate. So here's what they look like. I'm gonna leave them on for about 10 minutes. I'm probably gonna go heat up some coffee and sip and do some reading or editing on my phone, and then I'll come back after those 10 minutes and show you guys what we're working with. I've enjoyed sipping on my coffee and adding random things to my Amazon and Target carts over the last 10 minutes, but it's time to take these off. I can definitely feel where the serum has soaked in, and these are starting to get dry, and I do like that about them because I feel like that's how you start to know that it's time to take them off and that it's actually absorbing into your skin. So I am just going to pull them off as such. And I don't know if you guys can see, there's not like a ton of extra serum, but I definitely feel like a little bit of moisture. So I'm just gonna pat any extra into underneath my eyes. I know everyone is so particular about using your ring finger under your eye, but like, I feel like I have no coordination in my ring finger. I don't know how to explain that, but anyways. Okay, so that wraps up this little morning time skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really loved using the new airplane mode kit from Wander Beauty. Love the products in it. I think it comes with a really nice variety of things I would definitely want to have if I was traveling. And of course, I love that everything is travel size. But thank you guys so much for tuning back in and watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Definitely let me know what you thought. And if you want to see more of these, like diving in and actually opening up and testing PR that I've gotten in, but make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, I definitely hope you'll stick around and stay. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, but love you guys, and until next time.